Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Wineskin Winery that just came out, number 2. So before I show you that though, I'd like to ask you, if you want, I could put online a little tutorial on how to get Black Ops for Mac, or how to get, I can post up FIFA 11, like a wrapper that I made, with a no CD crack, so you can play it and it works perfectly fine. And I ported this to Pivot Stick Figure Animator. I saw on some of your channels you have Pivot Stick Figure Animator, so I thought you might want me to post that for Mac. Alright, so how you start? First, search for the Wineskin Winery. So just search exactly Wineskin Winery. Go on the first link. This should be this. I could put it on my site too. And then it says here, click me to download. Then you download it. I can also post a link to the straight link to the download if you want. Right, it downloads. Then you open it up. Open. And I have it already, so I already installed these engines, but normally you do plus, and then you add the newest engine, and you do download and install. It takes a while. Well, actually, it doesn't take too long. And then you press update to Wineskin 2.0. Now, when you're finished with that, and you want to create your first application, do create new blank wrapper. Call whatever you want to call the app, but do not put spaces. It really messes up, and so I really wouldn't put spaces, because at some point it says something. So I don't know, for example, you can have this game I've been working on, which is not working out yet, but I can just show you how the installer works. So it's called Project Blackout. Alright, call it version 2. Alright, and then it creates your wrapper. Okay, then it's updating the contents and the resources, and then you need to do this Gecko installer stuff, which doesn't really matter. It'll ask you a couple of times during the installation to do that too. So there you go. Now you're in your wrapper, and basically there. And now it's going to ask you this, and I always do view wrapper and finder. It's the easiest thing. There you have it, version 2, right? And there's my FIFA 11, by the way. Show package contents. And here you can get started. So first you double click on Wineskin, install Windows software. Then you install the software you want to install. You just navigate to the folder, and the installer, it can be it's a .exe file normally. So you choose, and then Wineskin runs the installation, you see? So it works. Definitely. With this game I've been having some problems though, because it keeps on asking me for checks, even though I've done them already. So the whole installation wizard and all that stuff works perfectly fine. I'm just going to quit it because I've got it already, and because this is just for demonstration purposes. But yeah, so then when you're finished with that, you go advanced configuration, you browse it, program files, you go to the newly installed software. Let's just say it was Internet Explorer. Then you click on the exe, the start exe, the actual application, choose, and then like this. Then what you would call the menu bar, the menu bar is this here. So for example, the menu bar of this is Wineskin. If you go to your finder, it's finder, and so on. So here it asks you what you would call it. So for example, I would call it iExplorer or something like that. 7. I don't know what version it is, but I'll just put something like that. Program version, let's just say 7. And then you can get an icon and all that stuff, and then you can test run it. And then as you see, it says IE Explorer up here. Gecko packages are used for HTML pages, and then even normally the Internet Explorer works. I don't know if it does. Anyway, so I'll just quit this. So yeah, there you go. And then in the test run or debug mode, it gives you test run logs, which is really cool. And for tools, you can do like custom things and all that stuff if it didn't work. So tell me how that works out for you, and I'll put out a link. And yeah, email me if you have, or don't email me, but PM me or email me if you have any problems, or if you want me to port something for you so you don't have to download all this stuff. So, thanks a lot. That was PimpMyOS. Bye.